back on our flywheel. Yesterday I was out of battery, so I had to tighten the flywheel with the torque wrench. Now I will put this locker here with a little bit of Loctite, and after that I will mount it on this little lathe. I was lucky it's fitting exactly in it, and try to true it. You will see how I will do that. Have a nice day. As you could see, we have here a plus point and a minus point. The plus point has around 3/10 of a millimeters, 3 fractions of a millimeter, that is higher. So looking at it like this, we should open them up a little bit so this goes lower. Completely changed. Now I have here on this one the plus here, and on the other one the plus over here from the last beating. All this happened from the last beating. So have to think where to beat it. start hammering easy and then go harder and harder until you see something happen. It's normal that nothing is happening if you hammer it easy. That means you have good cones and a good flywheel. We have plus. Yes, this looks much better. This looks better. Looks like we have now 0.08 of a millimeter play. Let's see on the other side. We still have 0.10 minus plus again. So one more hit on the same part. So we are getting very close, very close, as you could see. You have to turn this slowly so the clock isn't jumping. So right now I have 0.05 of a millimeter play that is accepted. So next will be putting Loctite on the locker and mounting it on the bike. I hope this video was a bit helpful for you. So always note your plus and your minuses, and then try to think logically where to hammer, where to press, so you can get it in line perfectly.